Good morning students. Welcome to Aryavardhan YouTube channel English video lessons for the beginners. Students, in today's class we will practice sound OW, words with OW pronunciation. So here you can see OU, OW, BLOUSE, 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 OU, OW, and also we will practice OW as a OW. Student, listen to this.
Blouse, blouse,
This is UK pronunciation.
blouse,
This is US pronunciation.
blouse,
So let's start, students. Blouse, ground, groundnut, house, loud, mountain, mouse, mouth, south, thousand, mouth, south, ground, found, pound, round, loud, cloud, proud, house, mouse, blouse, chouse, rouse, count, mount, shout, loud, flout, bound, noun, mountain, fountain. Students, here you can see OU-OU-CH, ouch, OU-OU-TH, out, LOU, loud, DSD, loud, HOUS, HOU, how, S, house, SHOU, show, TST, shout, ouch, out, loud, house, shout. So let's practice, students. Ouch, out, out, ounce, blouse, blount, bolt, bound, bounce, bound, bout, doubt, chouse, cloud, clout, count, cope, crouch, couch, drowk, loud, foul, found, fount, flout, flounce, flaunt, flower, glount, gouge, gout, ground, grout, hound, house, jounce, joust, louse, lout, drought, noun, mound, mouse, mount, mouth, proud, pout, pounce. Students, let's listen.
Out, bound, noun, sound.
Let's once again listen these words.
Out, bound, noun, sound.
Students, let's practice the remaining words. Mouse, mount, mouth, proud, pout, pounce, pound, round, rouse, rout, scout, shout, sound, south, spouse, spout, scout, shout, sound, touse, tout, pouch, vouch, zounds. Students, let's practice now OW as ow. Here you can see BROWN, brown. O as ow. Brown, chow, clow, clown, crowd, crown, cow, dove, down, douse, drown, drowse, foul, frown, froust, gown, jowl, how, howl, house, louth, mow, now, prow, prowl, town, wow. Students, let's listen.
Brown. Brown.
BROWN. Students, let's listen these words.
How, now, cow, crown.
Let's listen once again.
How, now, cow, crown.
Students, now let's practice few phrases and sentences. A louse and a powder. A louse and a powder. 1,000 pounds. 1,000 pounds. Fountain. Fountain is near the mountain. Mouse. Mouse is near the house. Ground is round. Countless stars. It is a blouse. This is a houseboat. That is a houseboat. It is cloudy. House. A house and a mouse. House rounds the house. Mouse rounds the house. Mountain is fountain is near the house. Fountain is near the house. Mountain is in the south. Man ran round the mountain. A houseboat is in the sea. Painter paints the house. This is a mouse. That is a mouse. So students, we have practiced both OU and OW as a OW sound. So please like and subscribe the channel, and if you want the book English handbook for the beginners, you can contact these numbers. Thank you.